Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into AI automation. We're going to break down the 5 costly mistakes that are probably draining your resources right now, and then, the absolute best part, we'll reveal a literal $0 blueprint to fix it all. Let's get right into it. Listen to this direct, unfiltered warning straight from our research. These 5 mistakes are the reason your AI automation isn't actually saving you time or money. It's kind of a harsh reality check, right? So many business owners jump headfirst into automation thinking, oh, I'll just set it and forget it. But if you do it wrong, it doesn't just fail to help. It actively wastes the exact time and money you were trying to save in the first place. So what are these 5 critical errors? Well, they usually happen in a sort of domino effect. 1, automating everything at once. 2, sending out robotic replies. 3, zero customer-side testing. 4, ignoring reviews. And 5, not tracking results. It all starts with the sheer, overwhelming ambition of trying to do way too much and ends with you running your entire system completely blind. Now, I really want to highlight mistakes 2 and 4 here, because there is this massive, frankly dangerous gap between cold, robotic AI replies and genuine human follow-up. You know the ones I'm talking about, those generic copy-paste responses that just instantly alienate your audience. Our sources make it super clear. You cannot just ignore reviews or complaints assuming the AI's got it. Losing that human touch is devastating. You need an actual person to step in exactly when your customer has a real problem. And man, this brings us to mistake number 3, which is probably the most dangerous trap of all: failing silently. Think about it. If you never test your auto replies from the outside in, like from the customer's actual perspective, your chatbot could literally be failing silently for weeks. Your customers could be screaming into a void of weird error messages or bizarre AI hallucinations while you're sitting there happily sipping your coffee thinking everything's running perfectly. You absolutely have to test your systems. So, why do so many smart people fall into these traps? Well, usually it's because they're intimidated by the tech. Which leads to the elephant in the room. Do you actually need expensive software to start automating? This right here is the biggest myth holding entrepreneurs back. Everyone just assumes you need a massive budget, so they either never start or, even worse, they panic buy these complex software suites they have absolutely no idea how to use. Well, let's go ahead and smash that myth right now. $0. Seriously, 0. You do not need to spend a single dime to build a highly effective automation system today. Our sources lay out a complete blueprint, relying entirely on free tools. It's a total game changer, especially if you're a beginner, a student, or a freelancer trying to punch above your weight class without blowing your budget. It's all about working smarter, not spending harder. We can replace those massive tech budgets with 3 highly specific, free tools: a WhatsApp auto-reply system, a scheduling tool, and an AI writing tool, all costing exactly $0. Let's break down exactly how this specific stack actually works together, because I'm telling you, this is where you finally get your time back. Okay, first up is the free WhatsApp auto reply. Imagine a potential client reaches out and boom, they get a perfect instant response addressing their initial question. You could literally be fast asleep dreaming about hitting inbox 0, and your business is still incredibly responsive. And the absolute best part? 0 coding required. None. You do not need to hire some expensive developer to instantly optimize your customer communication. Next up, let's talk about your content. Instead of that exhausting daily grind of manual posting, a free scheduling tool lets you knock out a full week of content in just one sitting. You do the work once, and the tool pushes it live exactly when your audience is actually online. It's a huge shift. You go from constantly reacting day to day to proactively running your brand on autopilot. And to tie the whole shebang together, we bring in a free AI writing tool. Just drop in a simple prompt and it generates text in seconds. It gives you the perfect polished captions for that scheduling tool we just talked about and ready-to-use drafts for your WhatsApp auto reply. Honestly, it feeds the entire machine. It completely removes the heavy lifting of content creation so you can finally focus on your high-level strategy. So let's look at the big picture. Here is your $0 workflow in action. A message comes in and the auto-reply handles it instantly. Meanwhile, your scheduled posts are going live right on time. And the AI, well, it wrote the text for all of it. It's just 3 free tools working seamlessly in one super efficient ecosystem. It completely transforms how your business operates, and again, you haven't spent a single penny. Now, here is a crucial piece of strategic advice straight from our sources.
Understand the difference between starting free and scaling with paid tools. Free tools are like the perfect sandbox. They let you learn the ropes and avoid those catastrophic mistakes we talked about earlier. So the golden rule here? Start free. Only, and I mean only, upgrade to paid tools when your growth actively demands those advanced features. Which really just leaves us with one final question. Are you ready to build your free tool stack? We've seen exactly how bad automation can completely ruin customer trust, and we've proven that budget is absolutely no longer a valid excuse. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this explainer. Now it's time to stop grinding through those manual daily tasks and go build your $0 automation today.